Tired of your bedroom feeling dull and outdated? A simple lamp swap could be the budget-friendly makeover you never knew you needed. Today, I'll show you how to transform your bedroom instantly by swapping out old lamps for stylish, affordable options that bring warmth, personality, and light into your space. Definition: a lamp swap makeover means replacing your existing bedside or corner lamps with fresh designs, shades, or DIY upgrades to refresh the entire room's look without major renovations. Why importance? Lighting sets the mood of a bedroom. The right lamp can make a small room feel cozy, highlight your style, and even improve your sleep environment, all while staying within budget. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Assess the size and style of your room to decide if you need table lamps, floor lamps, or wall-mounted lights. Step 2. Choose lampshades or bases that complement your existing furniture and color scheme. Step 3. Swap out old bulbs for warm-toned, energy-efficient LED bulbs. Step 4. Position the lamp strategically near the bed, reading chair, or dresser to maximize both light and aesthetics. Step 5. Add small decor touches like books or plants around the lamp to complete the look. Tools explained. You'll need the new lamp or lampshade, a screwdriver if assembly is required, and the right bulbs to create the desired lighting effect. Workflow: start by unplugging and removing your old lamp. Set up your new lamp, attach the shade, insert the bulb, and test the placement in different spots before finalizing where it fits best. Quick tips: use warm bulbs for a relaxing vibe. Mix lamp heights to create depth. If you're tight on budget, consider painting or recovering an old lampshade instead of buying new. Cost comparison: buying a new designer lamp can cost hundreds, but a budget-friendly swap can be done for as little as $15 to $30. Even a DIY lampshade makeover can cost under $10. See how easy and affordable it is to transform your bedroom. A lamp swap is proof that small changes make a big impact. Try this budget-friendly makeover today and bring new life to your space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home styling hacks.